Hi guys! On our way to Tagaytay. Hello kayo, hello oh.
Hello!
Sepi oh.
Dito kayo, Eman. Sobrang excited.
Gusto mo kumain? Check in your...
Akala ko ito.
Okay. Okay. Uy, wow, may pa ha. Thank you. Oh, pasok.
Ay, freaky pa
Tingnan mo
talaga.
Tingnan mo nakalagay.
Keeper sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
Ate Rina!
Wow! Sige po.
Okay na daw, mag-open na lang.
One night, a few moons ago, I saw flecks of what could have been ice, but it might just have been you passing by unbeknownst to me. Life is emotionally abusive, and time can't stop me quite like you did. And my flight was awful. Thanks for asking, I'm unglued. Thanks to you.
Sa kwarto naman nila ama mo. First floor sila, first floor. One oh three. Chideng! Pasok na mga... Oh! Siyempre, pasok na. Hindi iba yan. Iba yan, nakasulat dyan. Basahin mo ka nakasulat. Eh! Eh! Maganda garden niya pero view niya. Parang in-upgrade kayo sa garden view. Sobrang ganda talaga dito guys. Ayan yung swimming pool area nila. Siya. Birthday girl. Dito kami magbe-breakfast tomorrow. Ganda.
Pa,
You
I
know.
think you should change the rules. Dito kami ni Seth.
Super ganda. Picture mo na ang mga kiddo. Ganda talaga dito. The Lake Hotel, Tagaytay. Overlooking Taal View. Oh, ganda. Super ganda. Ito yung view namin sa aming balcony. Today. Oh. Ganda. Yun guys, swimming time na sila. Oh. Kaway kayo, kaway. Kaway. So, Sepi!
Ito pa, nilalagay ko sa chan ko po.
Ayun, galing. Ganda, no? Eh! Kapalag ka. Breakfast, guys. Sepi, Rima. Tamang kain.
Kanin na.
Buffet breakfast here, guys. With the Taal Lake.
Carlos pa ako man niya pagkatapos na to.
Te!
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad men. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the...
Pauwi na kami guys. Kakain mo na kami champorado sa Zamgo Cafe.
Tango.
Dito na kami Zamgo. Pinakamasarap na champorado sa Tagaytay. We're here na.
Guys, I'm so excited for this viral champurrado.
Dahan-dahan na. Ikot-ikot mo siya. Dahan-dahan na.
Ay.
Ikot.
Lagay mo din dito, Rima, sa banda dito.
Yan!
Yan.
Oh my God! It's her! Oh my God! Mommy!
Wow! Ito pa.
Yay!
Okay. Siyempre, iti-taste test yan ni Ate Rima, oh.
Okay.
Ipan mo ha, mainit ha.
Alam mo ko ng baby ulit.
It's so yummy!
Fit niya. Ano sa gitna? Pero usang...
Sobrang sarap na ito. Wow! Sobrang sarap!
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.